Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can see all the event in this game, all the event in Dragonair Silent God. So I made this video is for the beginner or new in this game I mean. So let's get started by tap this icon. This is the event icon at the top of your screen, and welcome to the event of this game. There are two event or two subs event here. This is a special supply, like the event for summon, and also event like a top up event, and also you get the, for example, this one top up event, and also this is the main event journeys. For example, this Clepsydra Torrent hard training. Maybe you can complete this quest and collect points to win bountiful rewards. And this one I just got defeat one boss here to get 3 legendary hero. You have to beat 4 boss here, and so many event here that you can join, especially for you are the beginner or new into this game. Please check out the event update. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.